Oh, Teacher Tio. What's our lesson, Teacher Tio? Stand up. So,
Okay, a Book of Mormon, Alma chapter 19, verse 16. Abish is a Lamanite woman who convert unto the Lord on account of
remarkable.
remarkable vision of her father. And then faith and testimony. They will
A testimony
a testimony
is a belief.
witness of Christ's love for you. So
Stand up.
the testimony is in the belief or witness of the Lord. If Abish do the testimony, she believe or witness of Christ, of Jesus Christ, so that Jesus Christ will love for you.
What do we need to do to have a strong testimony?
This is what President Russell M. Nelson said. I plead with you to take charge of your testimony so that Abish is gonna do that. It's gonna charge of your testimony of Jesus Christ. If you work for it, you can earn money. You can work hard. But if you own it, you can be nice or healthy if you care. If you care for it, it looks like you're taking your
It means you are taking care of your testimony, right?
is taken of your testimony or belief, so that if you nurture
It will.
it will watch for miracles, so that it will grow. Then if you watch for miracles, that is what it will happen in your life. So you make your testimony your priority, because if you make your testimony your priority, or
It will.
it will listen to Jesus Christ, because Jesus Christ loved us. So we need to share the testimony in the church or in the house. So you can also pray in the church or in the